Everything you said they already knew, more or less.
Well, here's something that you didn't know. 2 of those special atomic bombs haven't gone off.
Lil J4L Psych. But anyway, welcome back to my channel. This is me. Y'all like my earrings? They're so cute. I love wearing these like creative. You got the point of the video is for me to be doing another custom. A custom that is something that I have not done. I've always done like cartoon characters, etc. More like more like 90s type cartoon characters, or like, you know, stuff like that on the shoes. Like I've done the Fairy Odd Parents, I've done Lion King. So let's get into it. I went to this store and I picked up a pair of shoes for my older brother, and he has like, it was hard for me to find these. Like I was so stressed out, I'm so tired, because I literally went to the store this morning. I started at one store, I found the brand of shoe, but I did not find the color. I found the color I wanted, but they didn't have it in his size, and he had it. So let me show you the shoes real quick. Okay, so these are the shoes. So they're the Feli's, and they're all white, as you can see, because like, yeah, you doing too much. I know it was. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's get into the customization. Before I go get into the video, I'm gonna show you my brother. Come here. Come here, brother.
This thing open or something?
He just got out of school, y'all.
Yeah.
Anyway, let's get into the video. Putting the acetone on the shoes to prep my shoes. Now I'm gonna get started with drawing. I'm not gonna paint first. I'm gonna draw my outline, and then I'm gonna paint. This is gonna be hard because I ain't got no stencils for this one. This is just a freehand customization, so you kind of gotta know how to draw, how to do this. You kind of gotta know how to draw in order to do this. But so I'm gonna do the customization, and I'm just gonna give y'all a hint. It's anime. It's anime. So I'm going to do the customization, and then I'm going to come back to you. The paint, after I paint it, looks just as good as the drawing. But right now, this is the drawing. This is just good. So, yeah, that's who I did. I'm going to show y'all. That's him. Hold on, wait. I can't. Okay, it looks better when I point the light at the... Okay, so that's my Majin Vegeta. Not added the details, but I just got done painting faces. Alright, so this is Naruto. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, this is a close-up. Vegeta. You can see him a little bit.
Monetization. This light on it look like, make us look like some light skins.
I am light skinned. Boo blah blah blah. I just
Hey, so I know y'all maybe quick little story time. So I was on the channel for a while, you know, and then Jad decided to kick me off. Like, she kicked the brother off the channel. I'm over here like,
y'all believe that?
y'all kicked me off the channel. Like, I'm the face of the channel, basically.
Okay,
Little
nigga.
J4L.
Move before you look. If you spill my water, you gonna get cracked.
Love y'all, man.
Here's Naruto. after I traced him, he hasn't had the color added. Like the whole shoe is gonna be looking kind of different. So, you know what I'm saying? This is Naruto, and then here's Vegeta or whatever. Every time I put him in, but that's his, and it goes like to the feline sign kinda, but it isn't too bad. Excuse me. But like I said, this is where we at on the shoes. I have Naruto done, and I have Vegeta done, and this is the rest of the shoe. Just because I didn't get to do everything on the camera doesn't mean I didn't do it, baby. Hey y'all, I'm back. Same day, well actually from the last time I saw y'all, same day, but I have finished the shoes. I want you guys to tell me how they look because honestly, I think they look good. It was a lot of different things going on that kind of scared how, but let's get into this montage. It was good, wasn't it? I'm just kidding. Let me stop. This is the Naruto one. You got the little flames here. You got Naruto close-up details. And here's the other one. Again, I already know I gave y'all a montage, but it's okay. So this is Vegeta. And he goes a little far to the back because that's where I started him. It's kind of difficult. But here's Vegeta. And then together, you have the shoes, how they will look on the feet. The side of the shoes, let me just back, and then the sides. Comment down below if you like the shoes. Tell me what you think about them. Tell me how you think the colors are. Yeah, let me know because baby, I just wanted to get these done. And this is his Christmas gift from me. And then I also went to the store and I'm going to customize his shirts, but I'm not going to film a video of doing that. I'm gonna try to get more active on this YouTube channel. So please turn on the post notifications and make sure the bell is on. Like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram account. If you want to see more art stuff, just follow my art Instagram account. And if you want to see more about me, follow my TikTok. Down below, my TikTok is JazzYourGirl6, and then you can follow my my personal Instagram account, which is JazzYourGirl. Without further ado, I'm going to end off this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the customization. It really was a lot going on with me doing it, but I really enjoyed doing it myself. Like, it was really fun. When it comes to me doing all kinds of art stuff, customization, I just get really excited to do it. And it's just like, when I don't have like a lot of people to do it for, it's like, I don't know, I just don't really like to do it. So like, most of the times, like, I do like family shoes, etc. So that's kind of what I did. So like I said, this is a Christmas gift to my brother. If you want to see his reaction to opening these, I'm probably gonna post a video, maybe a vlog on my on Christmas Day. I'm probably gonna post a vlog on Christmas Day of opening up gifts, etc. And then post that sometime after Christmas. I'm not sure when, but I will post that. So if you want to see his reaction to opening these shoes that I customized, that will be on my vlog channel. If I did do it, it will be on my vlog channel. My vlog channel is Life with Jazz, or Life as Jazz, or something, Life of Jazz, or something like that. I'm gonna just try to find it and put it in the description of this video. But if you do, let's end off this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, comment below, like the video, and also share it with your friends, your family, your grandpa, your mama, your dog, your puppies, your aunties, everybody. Just share the video, get it through, and maybe you can customize some shoes. I don't know, maybe you do it. So without further ado, I'm gonna leave. Hope you had enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Bye. Alright, I'm gonna end up this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, please, guys. Thank you.